What is the best hair transplant method for you, DHI or FUE? Are you considering a hair transplant but unsure whether to choose DHI or FUE? Both methods are highly effective, but they have distinct differences that may make one more suitable for your needs. Understanding these techniques can help you make an informed decision on which approach best suits your hair restoration goals. FUE, or follicular unit extraction, is one of the most popular hair transplant techniques worldwide. In this method, individual hair follicles are harvested from the donor area, usually the back of the head, and then implanted into the balding or thinning areas. The FUE process involves creating tiny incisions in the recipient area before manually placing each follicle. FUE is known for leaving minimal scarring and offering a relatively short recovery time. On the other hand, DHI, direct hair implantation, is a more recent innovation based on FUE but with a key difference in the implantation process. In DHI, hair follicles are extracted similarly to FUE, but instead of manually creating incisions first, a special implanter pen is used. This pen allows for simultaneous extraction and implantation, offering more precision and control over the depth, angle, and direction of each graft. As a result, DHI often delivers a more natural-looking hairline and denser results. When comparing DHI and FUE, one of the major considerations is the desired outcome. DHI provides greater accuracy, making it ideal for smaller areas such as the hairline. However, it tends to be more expensive and time-consuming than FUE. FUE, on the other hand, is a great choice for larger areas of baldness and is typically faster and more cost-effective. Another factor to consider is recovery. Both procedures offer a relatively quick recovery period, but DHI may result in less trauma to the scalp, potentially leading to faster healing. Ultimately, the choice between DHI and FUE depends on your specific hair restoration goals, budget, and the recommendations of your surgeon. Both techniques can offer excellent results, but understanding the subtle differences can help you achieve the outcome you desire. Are you leaning towards DHI or FUE for your hair transplant? Share your thoughts and ask questions in the comments below.